Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and Nidhi is back with another Zivame haul. I personally love shopping from Zivame, be it their activewear, sleepwear, lingerie, they just nail it. So I'm back with another haul. So they're having their Grand Lingerie Festival, which is going to be India's biggest intimate wear sale starting from 8th of September 8 p.m. onwards, and they're having crazy offers like up to 70% off, free shipping, cash on delivery is also available with easy 15-day return or exchange policy, and you can get additional 10% off if you use my code NIDHIZIVAME NIDHIZIVAME, and with this coupon code you would get additional 10% off, which is like super savings. So this is the best time to shop, guys. So let's begin with my haul from Zivame. Okay, starting off with the first product. So as you might be knowing by now that Nidhi loves anything lavender, purple, like I'm literally wearing it on my eyes too. So I picked up this nightwear set like ASAP as I saw it on the website because I love lavender. So I picked this gorgeous nightwear dress. This color is so freaking pretty. Look at how fresh and vibrant the color and the print is, and I love Zivame nightwear. They are super comfortable and I have so many of them. They did not get spoiled even after multiple washes, be it even in the washing machine, but they are as it is. I love the fabric. It's super soft, rich cotton material, super cozy to sleep in, and so is this night dress from Zivame. So I got the size small in it. It is having a comfort fit. So that is how the nightwear dress looks like. So it is having a round neck with some button detailing given right in the center with short cap sleeves, and that is how quirky and cute the print is. It goes like milk and sugar everywhere all over the nightwear dress, on the front as well as on the back side. Now this particular just runs near your knee, so the length is super cute. I love Zivame nightwear dresses, as I told you, and this one particularly is my ultimate favorite. I know you guys are going to be clicking the link from the description like ASAP once you have seen this in the video. So yes, I'll be having all of the links to the products in the description box. Do check that out. I would highly recommend this sleep dress from Zivame. Super awesome pie. Zivame just knows how to kill the game because they have unlimited styles with latest trends, and that is exactly what we need, right? So next up, I'm having this super cute sleep robe. This is a rich cotton fabric. Oh my god, super comfortable again to sleep in, and a robe is always welcome. It's such a multitasker, you see. So that is how it looks like. It is Persian blue in color. It is having a nice v-neck with, you can say, as almost 3/4 sleeves with again a very quirky print on. So that is how it looks like. Again, I ordered the size small in this particular one too. You have a nice waist belt to tie the robe around, and oh my god, this just looks fab. I love robes particularly, and I love this one. So you're having two particular belts, one on the inside while the other one is on the outside. So that is how the robe looks like. Again, the fabric is super soft, comfortable, a great rich cotton fabric, and the length is around the knees, so it's just perfect for my kind of liking. Next up, I have two of their active wear this time. Firstly, I have this gorgeous Persian blue jackets. Now I love Persian blue as well, so I got this beautiful soft material jacket, which is great for low intensity workouts. Now this particular one is in the size, I think, small again, and the color is super gorgeous. It is again a very soft cotton material, and that's the kind of sleeves. I feel they're slightly long, so they give you that nice look near your wrist, and with a high neck like that, with a zipper right in the front and the Zelocity logo right here. And we also have pockets near the stomach region, which is just perfect. This particular jacket is great for low intensity workouts like for yoga, jogging, walking. It is just perfect, plus the material is super soft, comfy, so works great even during the early winter season, so this is just perfect. Next up, I have this gorgeous t-shirt again, which is just perfect for low intensity workouts like yoga, jogging, walking. You can wear this kind of cotton t-shirts. They are just perfect for doing such kind of exercises. So again, this one is from Zelocity, and you can see they're having a dual color neckline right over there with a simple print and with half sleeves. The material is really good cotton material, extremely breathable kind of fabric. Again, you have a logo right at the back, and in this particular one I got the size medium. For a little bit more comfort, you can also go for a size small, whichever you feel comfortable. I personally love to wear something loose during workout, so I got this particular one. I love it. Now let's move on to the lingerie part of today's haul. I know you guys love my lingerie recommendation because these are all tried and tested, and only then I recommend it. Now the very first one is this sexy black bra. Now I love this bra. I already have the same design in a blue variant, and I love the comfort and fit so much that I ordered a black variant because who doesn't love black, right? So the first one is this gorgeous black bra. You can see it has a very soft padding right here. So it is having a thin padding with little bit of lacy detailings given right here. Now this particular bra is lightly padded, wireless, so it's super comfortable, and right at the back you can see it has a beautiful lace pattern given, which just looks like wings on your back. So I love this kind of small lacy detailings that is given to the bra. It just looks so sexy. So I'm the size 34C in Zivame bras, and they just fit perfectly. They are not at all poking, neither would they stab your chest. So definitely try out the Zivame bras. You would fall in love for sure. Now, as I mentioned my love towards lavender, I had to pick up a lavender bra for myself. So I saw a new launch from Zivame. So it is their mesh padded bras, and they look super cute. Firstly, the color, and it is having this super soft mesh detailing. It is not at all pokey. The material is super soft. It is lightly padded. It is non-wired, super comfortable, and that is how the back looks like. Now the back is having a nice net fabric. You can see it is super stretchy. This size again is 34C, and this is basically a t-shirt bra which would give you a seamless feel. So it is great to wear under tight fitting tops, tank tops, blouses. You can just rock this bra because it gives you that seamless look, so nothing is seen from the outside. Lastly, I picked up this panty set from Zivame. It is a set of 3 bikini panties. The set is super good. I've already tried out Zivame panties, and I really love the material. The fabric is really nice. I ordered the size small. It is having narrower sides while a full rear coverage, which is so needed, especially for girls like me. And also these have a very soft material, again breathable, comfortable, and they just hit around below your hip bone, so it would be perfect to wear under even low waist jeans or trousers. So these are just perfect for those kind of outfits, as these are not high rise or like hipsters. So I love wearing low rise bikini panties for such outfits. So that is how the panty looks like. The material is really good, and the set of 3 is like super affordable, plus now they're having even such super crazy deals. So you should definitely check out the Grand Lingerie Festival, which is going to be India's biggest intimate wear sale, because it's a limited period offer where they'll be having offers like up to 70% off, free shipping, cash on delivery is also available with easy 15-day return or exchange policy, and you can get additional 10% off if you use my code Nidhi Zivame. So definitely check out these products from Zivame. You're going to love it. I would also have my other Zivame hauls linked in the description box below. You would definitely find something that you've been looking for since a long time, because they have unlimited styles with latest trends. So go check out their Grand Lingerie Festival. Don't miss it out. It's a limited period offer, and you can download Zivame's app. I would have the link mentioned in the description box below, along with all of these product links too. So definitely check out the sale, and I shall meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.